Okay.
Hello.
Hello, how are you? Parang ang init dyan sa
Ayan.
area mo,
Pawi, Mase.
Go ahead,
Yes, we're
Denise.
here at the Jomtien Beach in Pattaya City, in Chonburi. It's a very windy afternoon and sunny at that, but it's the perfect weather, I believe, for beach volleyball just right now kasi simula lang ng volleyball competitions natin kung saan maglalaban ng Philippines at Thailand para sa finals. So hopefully, Team Philippines makes history here as they will look to finish Thailand's 8th edition reign. So they also had already a finals preview in the eliminations where Thailand beat them. So we will see if Team Philippines can bounce back and finally get, that gold for Philippines. At the same time, dito kasi sa Chonburi or in Pattaya, here at the Jomtien Beach, magkakasunod-sunod kasi yung venue. So aside from beach volleyball, you will also look forward to see rowing, kung saan kasama si Chris Nievarez and Christian. Also, hopefully for their finals in men's and women's solo final. And sa kabilang banda naman itong beach strip is meron ding pentathlon. Mamayang hapon naman, that's 5 p.m. Philippine time, both for women and men's obstacle laser running. Just yesterday, we also covered the pentathlon. Triathlon naman, at nanalo din ng isa sa mga MQuest artists na si Michael Ver. He got gold for the Philippines. His second SEA Games gold since he also got gold in 2019 when pentathlon was first introduced in the SEA Games. And of course, maya-maya inaabangan din ang basketball games ng Gilas women's and men's. They're both going to be facing Thailand in their home turf for the finals. Hopefully, we will get another gold for this and add to our medal haul. Pawi, Mase.
Actually, na-cover ko pa yan si Michael Ver noong 2019. Galing Ormoc din siya. Napakagaling yan when modern pentathlon made its debut in the SEA Games. But Denise...
Tapos sasabihin ko lang, the guy with the perfect set of teeth.
Yes, siya yun. Si Michael, congratulations on your gold medal. Pero Denise, since you're still there at the venue of beach volleyball, sino ba yung mga pambato natin dyan? And how are we looking against the host country, Thailand?
Yes. Pambato natin, let me just say, it's Cici Rondina and Bernadette Pons. I mean, if we can expect something from them, it's, of course, they're going to be powerful. They've already introduced themselves to be, gold medalists. They've had the experience for this. So I am hopeful for this duo, for our beach volleyball duo, na they're going to get gold for Thailand. As they've always been prepared for this. Matagal na sila lumalaban sa beach volleyball. And you know what? Aside from our spectators from the Philippines, kompleto rin yung support ng men's beach volleyball team dito. So I hope that adds, to the support, to the boosted morale of our Team Philippines for beach volleyball.
Okay, Denise, since this is the second to the last day already of the 33rd SEA Games, tell us also about the boxers naman who will be competing later today.
Yes. Ang aabangan natin, of course, for boxing, which starts at 3 p.m. Philippine time is, Olympians. Ira Villegas, that's for the minus 50 kilograms. And of course, Yumir Marshall for the minus 80 kilograms. But aside from that, you have a lot of Filipinos who will be fighting out for gold, hopefully in the boxing. And of course, banggitin ko lang, aside from boxing, ay babantayan din namin dito sa Chonburi yung floorball for the men, dahil dito mukhang makaka-gold din tayo as they face another opponent here again in Chonburi in Thailand.
Yan. And of course, tomorrow, Denise, mangyayari na ang closing ceremony. Tell us all about it. Where will it be held? At can we still expect our Filipino athletes to attend the closing ceremony or yung iba ba sa kanila ay nakauwi na?
Yes, Pauline, it's the same venue with the opening ceremony. And yes, based din sa biyahe, sa schedule ng biyahe ng mga atleta natin, may mga ilan na nauna na dahil nga the schedule here of the SEA Games 2025, magkakaiba talaga sila. May ibang maagang natapos, may iba like this, beach volleyball, rowing, and the likes, na ngayon palang matatapos. So may ilan na nauna, but we are still hoping that, most of our athletes get to join the closing ceremonies tomorrow. And of course, that will be broadcasted by Signal. So let's stay tuned for that.
Flag bearer na ba tayo, Denise?
We are yet to confirm who will be the flag bearer. We're still gonna meet with POC
Okay.
and hopefully, get some final confirmations for this.
All right. Well, thank you very much for updating us. That was mobile journalist Denise Valdez Sancho reporting live from Thailand as the SEA Games wind down.